Alright, it's DJ Gingerbeard here with another tutorial. Today we're going to add a sweep and we're going to add a riser. So this is where I am at the moment with my build up. Nothing's playing. Oh, there it is. Now what we want to do is in here we want to add a sweep. So let's try that first. We'll go plus a track, instrument track. Here we're going to add the prologue because it's really easy to make a white noise. If I play the keyboard here you can see that it makes a noise. This synth here is making a noise. Nothing happens now, but if I turn up the noise you can hear that. Oops, I've broken it. There it is, it's got noise. And this is different shapes all around here. Look. And I can adjust the shape myself. So that's what I'm going to sweep. So choose one. I like that one. So first thing I need to do is actually record this sound in where I want it to start. So I might start my sweep sound right about there somewhere. What's that, 2 bars to go? Maybe 3 bars to go. I'll give it a bit of space. Hit record. Beautiful. Couldn't really hear that. I'll turn it up a little bit, but you can hear in the background. There it is. And now I come over here, show automation, and I'm just going to do a pretty basic sweep through this section. Let me just zoom in to this section, zoom to selection. Oh my gosh. Look, and then, oh, my accent's going again. Oh no. Get rid of this thing. Here we go. Get the line tool, turn on the read, and I'm just going to go like that. And let's have a listen to that. Let's start out there. Missed. So you can have a play with that. I might start it a bit lower, in fact. And I might give it a real kick on this last bit like that, so it zooms up on the end. Oh yes. Oh, that's lovely. Pretty basic. And you can add all sorts of effects yourself to that. Oops. Let's have a listen. And the track should sound alright. Beautiful. Alright. And so I'm going to get rid of this little automation here. And then we'll add a riser in. So that's like just a pitch thing going. So to do that, add a new track, add an instrument track. In here I'm going to go for the retro log because that's easier. Now what I want to do is if I play something on the keyboard, it makes this sound. And you can choose sounds up here, or you can set them all up yourself. You can do all sorts of things in here. I'm just going to leave the sound for now. You can muck around with that yourself. You can see this little pitch bender. So that's what I want to bend, but it's not bending far enough because my range up here needs to be more. I need to bend at 12, which is an octave. It doesn't make sense. It's because of the Greeks. Anyway, don't worry about it. It's a theory lesson. That sounds good. So I'm going to record that back into the same spot I was before with my thing here. Here we go. Record this puppy. Beautiful. And now what I want to do is get that little pitch bend and draw the pitch bend in. So I'll zoom in a bit so you can see that. You hit this little arrow, and here it's got volume. I don't want to do volume, I want to do a thing called pitch, right? So I'm going to search here for pitch. Pitch bend. There it is. That's what I want to do. Gives me a pitch bend track. I can then zoom in here. I get a bit of the reading. Okay, and then I want to do the same thing. I want to draw in a pitch bend like I did before. And I want it to go right at the top like that. So hopefully that starts. Let's see what this point is here. I'm going to turn on this info line. So it starts on 64, which is perfect. It's right in the middle. And it should end on 127, which is the top. What's half of 127? 160 is 64, right? So here, let's have a listen. Beautiful. And you could, I probably should, because you can hear right on the end, I don't know if you heard that, but there's a little weird little zip. Like that sounds terrible, so I might keep that going up there, like that, something like that. And I probably should make this one in here. Maybe I should make that longer. You know, like that. Close that, and now we have a listen to that. Beautiful. Of course that's not beautiful, it sounds terrible. That needs to be staying on that top pitch. Alright, and what you could do if you wanted to have some fun now is you could probably change that cutoff there as you hit that high note, which could be a bit of fun, I reckon. So if we got down to this one now, and we just slammed that cutoff as we did that, that might sound kind of cool. Something like that. Ooh. I don't know, something like that. Alright, that's the end of that lesson. You've got a riser and a sweep, and you can put LFOs on all these things and all